Hey everybody, it's Nate Bartell with Ultimate Home Inspections. Today we're seeing something that's pretty unique. We have a 29-year-old water heater, and that is way past its expected life. The expected life of a water heater is 8 to 12 years. So when we see something that's close to 30 years, we recommend to the buyer that you're going to need to budget because this water heater can go out at any time. If you have questions about your water heater or how to find the age of it, please give us a call at Ultimate Home Inspections. Have a good day.